Hello, my team of 144. Today is October 6, 2018. I'm out here in nature, just photographing the sunset and some amazing clouds today. I don't know if you could see, I'm being surrounded by a mist. Oops. Let's see if I can get this. See, the mist is moving in, the fog is moving in. It's part of the shift here. It's too dark here, but if you can see, but behind me here, it's one of my favorite places to photograph. It's a huge field and a lot of wildflowers and pine trees. There's a huge pine forest. The sun is totally set now, and this field I am in is totally filling with fog and mist. Now a lot of people like Luna Ash talking about this mist. It could be a white mist, or it could be rainbow mist or violet mist, violet fog, but I'm seeing flashes in the sky, flashes in the clouds. It's not lightning. Usually I'm just seeing it out of the corner of my eye. Let's see if I could capture it, but leave a comment below this video if you're experiencing anything out of the ordinary here. Before the sunset, there was no fog or mist. It was a very humid day, but we had an unseasonably warm day. It's up in the 80s for October. That's pretty high. It's a beautiful, calm day. Look at that. Look at that fog moving in. I wanted to film this. Hopefully this whole area will fill. See, the time of sunset and twilight is when the doorway in between worlds opens. Don Juan would tell Carlos Castaneda that's the masculine going into the feminine. That's like the womb, the stargate, the shift. Check out those clouds, pretty amazing. How are you feeling today? I know a lot of intense energies. People are feeling tingling in their skull, legs going numb. I was having some wild electrical feeling in my spine, skull. We're getting close, my friends. I know 10/10, October 10th, it's my nephew and niece's birthday. There's going to be a major energetic shift from the 10th into the 11th. Everything is ramping up and amping up. It's getting thicker and thicker out here. I don't know if you can even tell by this video. It's my tripod here that I shoot with. Let's see if I can walk deeper into this fog, into this mist. See if anything appears in the sky. Disclosure is coming. The event is coming. We're shifting into the fourth density. People's nervous systems getting more sensitive. Look at the mist. Into the mists of the night, the mists of Avalon. We're shifting into the new Avalon, into the new Atlantis. The mists of Avalon. The mist will come in, the fog will come in. Our DNA is being upgraded, and when the fog clears, we will be in a whole new earth. No fears, my friends. Nothing to fear. Only love is real. Only love is real, my friends. All things are going to become very clear. The eyes of your spirit shall open real soon, and you shall know all things. I think that was from the book of Isaiah. What a beautiful night. Very mysterious. The fog is moving in. These are some great times to be alive. I know it's tough for many people. The nervous system's getting more sensitive. People are suffering on a deeper level. But very soon, my friends, the suffering will be over. And you will be living in eternal bliss consciousness. Be able to manifest your dreams with ease, without any hindrance. Om Shivan Graksha Babaji Yog. Om Shivan Graksha Babaji Yog. Om Shivan Graksha Babaji Yog. Surrounded by the mists. The mists of the great mystery, the mysteries. Holy Spirit is the great mystery, connecting us to all things, right through the heart, right from the heart center. It's getting dark, it's getting dark. The fields are filling with the fog and mist. So leave a comment below on what you've been experiencing. I'd like to connect with other light workers and my team of 144. Thanks for watching, my friend. My battery's about to die on this phone, so I'm going to end it here. Thanks for watching. Thanks for connecting. And thank you for living from your heart and bringing your bliss into this realm. Your bliss and light. Your bliss, light and truth and love. I love you, my friend. I connect heart to heart, heart center to all beings in this realm. Be blessed. Be in the love and the light, my friend. Namaste. Hello, my team of 144. I am back here. This is part 2. Just want to give you a quick update. Last night we had a major storm. Everything cleared up. There's a lot of lightning, a lot of rain, and then this morning again a thick fog. It's still a little foggy. I don't know if you can see in the background behind me. Hopefully it's not too loud from this raging river you can see behind me here. So there's been a mist in the air all morning too. Sounded like it was raining, but you couldn't feel the raindrops, but a lot of mist in the air. So again, it reminds me of the mists of Avalon when you're traveling into this fog, into this mist, which symbolizes the unknown, as you're seeking out that place, that new earth, the new Avalon, new Atlantis, or that place of paradise. as the fog starts lifting and the mist starts parting and things start becoming clear, that Avalon is revealed, which is what we're going through now. And that's what we call the event, or the revelation, is when this paradise is revealed, when the veil lifts, when the eyes of our spirit open, and we reunite with our higher selves, with our ancestors, consciously. We do this consciously. So I'm in Cleveland, Ohio. How's the weather by where you're at? And there's a strange light today. I've been doing some photography. I'm hope to put a couple images in this video of a few shots that I got. A lot of moisture in the air, a lot of spherical drops of water, this water path. So also I've been working with the energies of Archangel Michael. My middle name's Michael, named after the angel, and Saint Germain of the violet flame, or the violet ray. And the company of heaven. So I've been working with the energy of Hu, H-U, Hu. This is the sound of God. This is opens up the pineal gland in the center of the brain, connecting you directly to Prime Creator, or what we call the Great Mystery, the Source. So you can practice the Hu resonance, the Hu chant at any time to help reconnect you to your highest self, to the Prime Creator and the company of heaven. So if you want to, I'll do a few soundings of Hu and then end this video. So if you want to just close your eyes and relax, if you want to chant it along with me, you can, or just take on the energy, take in the energy and feel it emanating in the crystal palace in the center of your brain. Take a deep breath. Beyond the stillness, beyond the void, as we travel into the great unknown, where all things will be revealed from the source of all creation. let go and let be. It is what it is, and I am that I am. So be still, be free, be in peace. My team of 144, much love and light and bliss and truth.